Hello guys, you have been looking for an application where you can actually start to make money online from just by doing a simple task. So right here I'll show you guys an application where you can actually just go ahead and you upload a video and you get paid directly to your bank accounts. So right here Hacky reviews. I make videos on how you can make money online. I make short videos, I make long videos, and also go ahead and also write an article on how you can also make money online. So right here you can go ahead and check out my page and also my community page where I also communicate with my subscribers, with my followers, with my fans. So right here you can go ahead and comment the next video I should work on. So right here is my blog where I actually also go ahead and write 2 to 5 minutes, which you can also go ahead and check me out and see what I write and how you can also go and gain value. So these are the topics I can do. I can make in videos which I just go ahead and write in 2 to 5 minutes read. You can go ahead and subscribe with your email address. So I think right now I'll be taking you guys to the main video of this. So the main video right here is how you can earn money uploading videos on application, and this can be done right on your Android phone and iPhone. All you have to just go to your Play Store right now. So on your Play Store, I'm downloading this app. This is social videos where you can download these social videos. So this social video is actually where you download. So right now I'm installing it to my phone. So make sure you watch to the end. I want to tell you guys one or two things you have to do. Make sure you are buying. So after downloading, so right here is my profile. So you can go ahead and upload and update your profile later, which does not take much time. Just register with your email address, go ahead and update your profile. Right here I'll be showing you guys on how you can start to make money on this platform, which is already showing you welcome to this platform. So right here, these are your referral page, and right here this is your earning page. So the minimum earn here is $30 and the maximum is 200 that you can withdraw per day. So you can earn more than $5 a day just by uploading videos, and you can also earn from referring your friend 15 points right here, which you can redeem to money and you can withdraw to your platform. So what are the videos you can upload right here? So you might be thinking people upload different types of videos, and you can go ahead and also download a videos and upload on this platform. But actually there is a rules to it. So what rules is that you must not upload a video that have a watermark or any written on it. So you might be thinking, how do I get that right? So in this video I'll show you guys. So let's go to TikTok right now. So TikTok is actually a very popular platform where I have a short video. So you go ahead, let's download this platform. So you just click on the arrow, this arrow down part, and don't click on the download button. Click on copy link. Don't click on download, which if you click on this it will show you the watermark. So you go over to your website and type snaptick and you input the link you copied and you download. Right now it should download directly to your phone or to your mobile phone without any watermark on the video or any written. So right now after downloading, let's view it right here. So right here is the video. You can see no written words on the video at all. This is just a pure cartoon video dancing. So right now we go back to the videos and we go and upload. So right, this is me uploading on the platform. So right now let's look for the videos with no written right here. So right here, this is a video, no written. Make sure the videos have no watermark before you upload. So these are just simple steps we do. So you go ahead and complete the uploading and you get paid after it is being reviewed, and after you start getting views and you start getting comments, you start getting like, you get paid directly for and you can upload as many as possible. Remember, the minimum withdrawal is $30, which means if you upload one video per day, in the next 30 days you have $30 to withdraw from your platform, and you can also earn from referring your friend. So guys, there is a link in my description. So right here is my videos loading. So use the link in my description to register on this platform so I can also make money from referral, and this does not cost you anything. Just use my link to let's make money together. So right here, this is platform. You can see right in my video is ready for views and comments. Right now I can start earning from uploading this video right here. So, and also guys, I will show you guys a review after using this platform for 1 month. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.